The desert. Miles of undulating dunes. Imposing rock towers. Winding slot canyons. Temperatures over 130 degrees Fahrenheit. No water. Every plant wants to make a kebab out of you. Poisonous snakes, spiders, scorpions, and whatever the hell that thing is. Why in the world would anyone want to come to such an inhospitable place? To work? To find a new home? To make drugs? To do drugs? To find out who you are? Or maybe it's just the freedom that allows for those things. What is freedom? Are there different kinds of freedom? Webster Dictionary defines it as the absence of necessity, coercion, or constraint in choice or action. Freedom is the absence of constraints. The constraints of money and having a job. The constraints of laws and how to act. The constraints of who you are and what you do. When going into the wilderness, there's an exchange of constraints, trading in those of society for those of nature. Your constraints become where to get water, food, shelter. We do not remove stress by living in society, but we choose what types we'd rather live with. At the end of the day, I don't think that one is better than the other. I believe that experiencing both is the best way of not getting fed up with life. Tired of working a dead-end job? Try being homeless for a while. Sick of living without permanent shelter or regular meals? Consider selling your life to a company. There is no escape from constraints. There are only different flavors of it. So why do people come to the desert? They believe that the place they left was confining enough that living in a scorching hot, desolate wasteland seemed like a better alternative. And as crazy as that sounds, I'd rather be there than in a cubicle.